In this video, we will learn rhythm, which is one of the principles of design of landscape gardens. Subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get instant notification of new videos posted here. Rhythm is the repetition of elements at equidistance in the space. Rhythm is used to create a sense of movement in the landscape. Our eyes follow along the path created by repetition of elements. Rhythm is created by repeating line, form, texture and color. Repetition of same elements may or may not create pattern. Repetition of different elements create a pattern. Repetition of elements with variation make the rhythm more interesting. Interesting rhythms are established by alternation, inversion, and gradation. In alternation, a sequence of an element is alternated with another element repeating at standard interval. For example, in a row of round form, a columnar form is inserted at every fifth place. In inversion, a sequence of element is alternated with another sequence of element with opposite characteristics. For example, a row of pyramidal-shaped plants altered with another row of vase-shaped plants. In gradation, an element is repeated with gradual changes in its characteristics. For example, a row of round form that gradually becomes smaller. Rhythm can be created by repetition of softscape elements or living components. Rhythm can also be created by repetition of hardscape elements or non-living components. Repetition must be used with care. Too much repetition can create monotony while too little can create confusion.